how can you do a digital birthday card on the iPhone? So let me show you some options that we have available. If you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this. So if you ask me, of course, there is the ability to download Photoshop and start with a blank page and, like add the background and add effects and the title, photos, whatever. That could work if you have some experience with it and if you have time to like put it all together nicely. But I believe that a better way would be to use a template, for example, through an app like Canva. So that photo editor or, this like creative app, you can get it for free on your device from the App Store. And there, when you look that up, you can literally type into the templates the word birthday or birthday card. And this is going to give you some templates which you can utilize. And the way that it works in here is that you select one which you like. It's going to give you the ability to edit the text and replace the pictures. So if you have a photo of someone you want to set it up for, then you can add it there and perhaps even add your own twist to it or text. So as you can see, it works fine. Just pay attention to which of the features or effects are freely available or which are part of a subscription which is required for it. So it depends, but yeah, this I believe is literally the best way to do it. Like, of course, if you look up the App Store, there are like different apps designed specifically for like birthday cards, but they are probably not as advanced or not that good. So yeah, that would be my recommendation. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you found and did what you needed. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.